What's going on, everybody? We're out here at this big open, not at all smooth parking lot to get a couple speed runs on the Drag Slash. We're going to run it with 2S, 3S, see what kind of speed difference you get. This is on the stock out of the box gearing, no upgrades whatsoever. So let's get this turned on here. Alright, got it turned on, get it zeroed out, 0 miles per hour. See what it does on the 2S battery. So over to my lovely assistant here. Just gonna put the car. Alright, here we go. Got 40 miles an hour on a 2S battery. Alright, swap it over to 3S and see if we get any improvement. Alright, switch it over to 3S, zeroed out the GPS, and let's see what we get out of it. That's not smooth at all. Oh, tires ballooning up into the body. Yeah. Not going to get a lot of speed out of that. Ooh, that's rough. That's rough. Oh, yeah, let's see. 49 miles an hour on a terrible, terrible surface. All right, well, better than I thought, actually, to tell you the truth. Better than I thought. All right, since we're here, we'll go ahead and run the Slash 4-wheel drive VXL out here just for fun, see what we get out of it. All right, 43 miles an hour. Again, this is stock gearing on this as well. All right, guys, well, that was fun. Can't wait to do it again somewhere else maybe. Have a good one, guys.